Hi all. So today we are going to do Maklidurga trek. It's located at a very convenient distance of around 70 kilometers from Bangalore. The place is really beautiful. It can easily make for a weekend gateway. It's one day trek, not very much difficult. So let's get started. I'll drop in the description link the place from where we can start our trek. Maklidurga is located in Doddaballapur district. The complete route is very beautiful. It makes for a really good bike or a car drive. On the state highway, we need to watch out for a board like this. This is the place where we need to take a left turn, and that's the place from where our trek would start. The road would look something like this. It's an unpaved road. This will take us to the parking lot, and from where our trek would start. This road would be around 1.5 kilometers. And this is the place where we can park our own vehicles, be it cycle, two-wheeler or four-wheeler. There's ample place. This is not free parking, it's paid parking for some reason. After this, we just need to head straight, cross the tracks, and there we are at the base from where we need to start our trek. The route initially would look something like this. There are ample arrow marks which you can locate on the complete route, so there's no chance of you getting lost anywhere. Now this is the mountain which we are planning to trek. Complete route is very clean, it's very neatly maintained. Initially we'll be having rocky path like this. At some places the route does gets a little tricky, but not that much. It's something which we can easily manage. This is the lake which we'll be seeing right throughout the route. Doesn't it look like South America map? Now I must tell you one thing, the place is really windy, like really windy. We need to be careful a lot. Just hear the how much wind noise is there. While going through the route, we will be finding a plateau region somewhere in between. This is another side of the view. And here we are at the top of the Maklidurga fort. This is the last point, and this is the view from the top. This fort is in really very dilapidated state, so there's nothing much left to see around. You can just stroll around. There's a lot of place to walk. Also, there's a very old Shiva temple at the top.